Git can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but with a few key concepts, it gets a lot easier. In this video, we'll clear up common misconceptions and break down the Git essentials you need to navigate version control like a pro. Hi, I'm Prosper and I'm a co-founder of ShiftTech. We build custom software solutions for startups, individuals, and corporates. Now, let's get started. Before we start talking about the Git command, let's first identify where our code lives. Many assume it's only on their local machine or in the GitHub server, but there are four main areas where your code lives. To start with, first is the working directory. This is where you make changes to files on your local computer. Think of it as your playground where code comes to life. Now, the staging area. This temporary spot holds changes before you commit them, so you can review and refine what goes into the history. The local repository. This is where committed changes are stored on your machine, a secure snapshot of your progress. The remote repository. This could be GitHub or another server, where you push your changes to share or back them up. With these areas in mind, let's see how our code flows. We'll cover some key concepts or key commands that help you manage these transitions in Git. First, you use git clone to copy a project and its history onto your local system. Start working in the working directory, then use git add to move changes to the staging area. This is like marking them for commitment. Next, Git commit records a snapshot in your local repository. It's a checkpoint in your coding journey. Your code does not only stay in the local repository. When you are ready to share, Git push sends commits to the remote repository, allowing collaboration with your team. To integrate your teammates' work, you use Git pull, which fetches changes from the remote repository and merges them into your local repository. It combines two commands, git pull to bring in updates from the remote repository and git merge to integrate changes with your local code. There are times when you need to switch context. Maybe you want to create a new branch, you want to create a new feature, you want to do a hotfix, or you want to fix a bug. Branches let you explore new features or fix bugs without impacting the main code base. Commands like git branch, git checkout, git switch, and git merge help you manage branches for isolated development. There's so much more about Git, like branching strategies, resolving merge conflicts, squashing commits, and rebasing. I'll be covering each of these advanced topics in the upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, many developers find graphical Git tools like GitHub Desktop, Git extensions, and source tree helpful. These tools provide visual interfaces and shortcuts for common Git commands, making it easier for new users to get started with Git more easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our services. Let us know in the comments if there's a specific topic that you would like us to cover, or if you have any questions. Would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one.